Manifesting is the act of creating something tangible or intangible from nothing. In order to do this, you need to have a clear understanding of what you want to manifest. This is where manifestation affirmations and intentions come in. It does take consistency when learning how to write a manifestation statement that can make you the best version of yourself. When you manifest, the universe is more open to giving you good things. The best way to bring your own affirmations to life is to invest in a manifestation journal that will provide you a step-by-step guide on reaching a specific goal and making sure you're going in the right direction. One of the most common downfalls for failure in manifestation is limiting beliefs and letting negative self-talk stand in the way of achieving your best life. With a little hard work in your daily life, the manifestation process will give you a positive outlook. Today's video is all about how to write a manifestation statement to make your intentions and affirmations come true. In order to understand how to write a manifestation statement, it is important to first understand what manifestation is. Manifestation is the act of creating something from nothing. It is the process of taking your desires and making them into a physical reality. A manifestation affirmation is a statement that affirms your desired outcome. It is important to be specific, positive, and present tense when writing manifestation affirmations. For example, if you want to manifest a new car, your affirmation could be, "I am driving my new car." An intention is similar to an affirmation, but it is more focused on the how and why you want to manifest something. For example, your intention for manifesting a new car could be, "I want to manifest a new car because I deserve it, and it will help me get to where I want to go in life." So you may be wondering, why do we practice manifestation? We practice manifestation because it is a powerful tool that can help us create the life we want. Manifestation can help us manifest our deepest desires, and it can also help us manifest our goals and dreams. You can learn how to write a manifestation statement or an affirmation. When we practice manifestation, we are tapping into the power of our thoughts and emotions. Our thoughts and emotions are powerful energy that can create our reality. Don't underestimate the power of a positive mindset. You have a better chance at reaching your goals when you focus on positive mantras and use affirmations. Now I will give the steps to use this powerful technique. Step 1. Be specific about what you want to manifest. When it comes to manifesting your desires, being specific about what you want to manifest is crucial. This means that you need to have a clear idea of what you want to manifest in your life. For example, if you want to manifest a new car, it's not enough to simply say, "I want a new car." You need to be specific about the make and model of the car, the color, the features, and anything else that is important to you. The reason why being specific is so important is that it gives your manifestation statement direction and focus. It helps you to hone in on exactly what you want to create in your life, and it helps to eliminate any ambiguity or confusion that might hinder your manifestation efforts. One of the best ways to be specific is to spend time writing down your desires on a piece of paper. This serves as a powerful manifestation technique and shows the universe that you are serious about making positive changes in your life. When you write down your desires, you are not only clarifying them for yourself, but also putting them out into the universe. Writing down your desires can also help you to feel more connected to them, which in turn can help to increase your manifestation power. For example, if you want to manifest a new job, take the time to write down exactly what you want in a job. This might include the type of work you want to do, the industry you want to work in, the salary you want to earn, the location of the job, and any other specific details that are important to you. When you are clear and specific about what you want, you are more likely to attract opportunities that align with your desires. Step 2. Keep it positive. The second step in manifesting is to keep your statements positive. This is important because it determines what you will attract into your life. If you focus on negative thoughts and affirmations, you will only attract more negativity and unwanted situations into your life. Therefore, it's important to keep your thoughts and affirmations positive in order to attract positive outcomes and experiences. When you focus on positive affirmations, you are telling the universe what you want rather than what you don't want. This is because the universe does not understand negatives. For example, if you say, "I don't want to be broke," the universe only hears broke and may attract more financial struggles into your life. Instead, you should focus on positive affirmations such as "I am financially abundant" or "I attract wealth effortlessly." However, it can often be difficult to maintain a positive mindset all the time, especially if you have experienced challenges or setbacks in your life. This is because our brains are wired to focus on negative experiences in order to protect us from potential harm. This is known as the negativity bias. Therefore, it may take time and practice to shift your mindset to focus on the positive aspects of your life. To help with this, you can start by focusing on gratitude and appreciation. When you focus on what you are grateful for in your life, you are shifting your mindset to a positive one. This can be as simple as being grateful for a roof over your head, food on the table, or the people in your life who support you. Step 3. Write in present tense. Writing in present tense is a manifestation technique that involves expressing your desires as if they are already happening in the present moment. This technique is based on the belief that the present moment is the only reality, and by focusing on the present, you can attract more positive experiences and things into your life. When you write in present tense, you use phrases like "I am," "I have," and "I feel" instead of "I will," "I want," or "I wish." For example, instead of writing "I will have a successful business," you would write "I have a successful business." By using present tense, you are sending a message to your subconscious mind and the universe that your desires are already a reality, which can help to align your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your intentions. The reason it is important to focus on the present moment when manifesting is that the future is uncertain, and by focusing on it, you may become discouraged or anxious about whether your desires will come true. Living in the present moment helps you to stay grounded, centered, and connected to the energy of abundance, which can help to attract more positive experiences and things into your life. For example, if you want to manifest a new job, you could write, "I am happy and fulfilled in my new job," instead of "I want to find a new job." This statement is much more powerful because it is rooted in the present moment and sends a clear message to your subconscious mind and the universe about what you want to attract into your life. As you write in present tense, try to tap into the feeling of having your desires already manifested. This feeling is what makes the manifestation process so powerful, as it helps you to connect with the energy of your desires and attract more of that energy into your life. Step 4. Keep it short and sweet. When it comes to manifesting, it's important to have a clear and concise manifestation statement. This statement is a short and sweet summary of your desires and intentions, and it serves as a guiding light for your manifestation journey. By keeping your statement brief and to the point, you can help your mind stay focused on your desires and prevent yourself from getting sidetracked by other thoughts and distractions. One of the main reasons why it's important to keep your manifestation statement short is because the subconscious mind responds best to simplicity. The subconscious mind is like a sponge, constantly absorbing information from the world around us and processing it in the background. When you present your subconscious mind with a clear and concise manifestation statement, it can quickly and easily absorb the information and begin working to manifest your desires. On the other hand, if you present your subconscious mind with a long and complex manifestation statement, it may struggle to process all of the information and become overwhelmed. This can lead to confusion, doubt, and a lack of focus, which can ultimately hinder your manifestation efforts. Now that you know how to write manifestation statements, it's time to put them into action. Write down your affirmations and intentions, post them somewhere visible, and start manifesting your desires into reality. With a little manifestation practice, you'll be a manifesting pro in no time. If you enjoyed the content and found it valuable, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with friends. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and click on the notification so you never miss out on new videos. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.